Sarah and Joe here with the Easter High packing video. Alrighty guys, let's start with what we don't need for this retreat first. You will not be needing these distraction makers, so make sure to not bring any phones this weekend.
And you won't be needing any school textbooks. No necesito este libro.
You also will not be needing to check the time, so don't bring any watches or any clocks.
And every single meal is provided for you, so there's no need to make your own lunch.
Now that we have gone over what we don't need for this retreat, let's talk about what we do need. First of all, make sure to bring your rosaries.
Here's our little guy. And also because it's Easter Sunday, you need to bring your best clothes. So here I brought my suit. Well, this got a little bit longer.
Joe, I think you're trying to bring this one.
Oh, thank you, Sarah. And yes, flamingos are acceptable.
Also, make sure to bring any tools that you need for this retreat. A good idea is to have a good writing utensil and a nice notebook.
Well, Sarah, I think we've got everything we need. Perfect. Well, in all actuality, the only thing that you really need is to bring yourself and a good attitude.
I didn't get in the suitcase.
That's okay, Sarah. You wouldn't fit anyway. But you would fit this one.
Ow!
Hello! Well, guys, it's always smart to pack early. And we'll see you April 5th. I hope Sarah's doing all right.